Now in this video we're going to be looking at for loops. For loops are incredibly useful when it comes to JavaScript as it sort of works really well with HTML. So I've got basic HTML written here with two script tags. This is sort of the standard that you come onto Coding Ground with if you're using this editor. So I'm going to start with for, and that is the only similarities between JavaScript and Python. It gets a bit more complicated when we go into the brackets. So we're going to start by creating a brand new variable. Now I'm using I equals 0 because I is sort of the standard that programmers use. And then we do a semicolon. Now semicolon indicates end of line. It's something that you don't actually need in JavaScript except for creating these for loops, but you need it in higher languages such as Java and C++, sort of a standard to indicate that it's the end of the line. In this, you just need it when you're doing multiple lines of code on one single line, which is what we're doing now. So we've got var I equals 1. We're then going to check the condition. So we're going to say if I is less than 10. And then we want to do I++. So again, we've created the starting value. We've set the condition. And then we've increased it. And we can decrease it. We can increase it by certain amounts if we want to. But after we've done that, we're just doing our curly brackets. And then we're going to write our code in the middle. So we'll start with document.write. And then we're just going to write I plus I, just to show what the current value of I is at the time. And you're seeing that it's going 0, 1 all the way down. If we want it to be on separate lines, we'll just add a break tag at the end. So we'll just do plus, just like so. And this will just put it all on a different line for us. We'll see it stopping at 9 because we've said less than 10. If we put less than equals, then we would get the temp value as well. So this comes in really handy when we combine it with something like array. Arrays are really handy and work very well with for loops. So we're going to do products, and we're going to do equals, and then we're going to come up with a list of products for our website. So let's do Xbox, PS4, and Switch. So this is a games console website. And now what we're going to do, instead of being I is less than 10, we're going to do it less than products.length. So the length of the products. Like so. And then what we're going to write instead is what we want is the current value of products at this time. So I'm just going to take out this first bit here. We'll keep the break in there so everything comes onto a new line. And we're going to do product. And instead of putting array value, an index value, such as 0 or 5, we're going to put I. This means it's going to go through every single item in our product and print it out. So now we can preview. And I've just noticed a spelling mistake there, so that's why that's not worked. So products. And now when we preview it, we've got each individual item printed out. And this is what Amazon uses, apart from they'll draw the data from a database, probably into a 2D array, because each product's got quite a lot of information. And then they're just looping through and putting all those items on one at a time. So when you search for a product, so all that is happening, it's getting all the products that meet your criteria, your search condition, and then it's putting them into some sort of an array, and then it's looping through that array and printing it as HTML code.